Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have another Temu haul. I'll have my Temu code and all the Temu bundles below in the description. So if you reinstated your Temu app, or if you're new to Temu and you want to try it out, go ahead and check those links. I'll also have all the links to the products if they're available. So let's go ahead and get into this package. Okay, the first thing I want to share are these. I believe there's a little pom-pom type. Yeah. Now these are little pom-pom cutouts. They're circular. Now I get this so that I could add to embellishments or add to my fancy beads and stuff like that. Usually they use these for bows, but I'm using it for embellishments in my beadable pins. So I got that. And they do have other colors, and you get 100 circles. So I got that one. Let's see what surprises in here. Oh, these are actually black velvet bows. I also got these for embellishments, and these just regular flat backs. But how cute are those? And I believe they had red and maybe pink. So I got those. Another thing I found in my feed is these Santa Mel sticker labels. I thought how cute this would be to add into like packaging, or even in swaps, or in like journals. But look at those. How cute are those? It's actually be nice to have for like even for kids. But they are stickers, and like I said, they do say Santa Mail on there. I mean, this would even be good for packaging Happy Mail and stuff like that. But yeah, I really like this. But I think this is too cute to waste on a box, so I'll give it like a little, like an extra, so you could use it for crafting. But I got those. Let's see what's in this package. Okay, so yeah, this one does come. This did have the red one, so I was able to get those also, which I didn't know I actually bought. Well, look at those, and these are flat backs. And oh, actually, these are beads. These are actually beads, so they do fit on my pokey tool. So that means they will fit on a beadable pin, because my pokey tool is 2 mm. So actually these are even better. I thought these were flatbacks for some reason. But yeah, so I got those. I got it in red. Another thing I hauled were these cute like Christmas tree cupcakes. Look at that. These are actually real cute. And you can screw an eyelid. You could just have to do it on the side. But look at those. How cute are those? So I got those. Now this is a little handheld drill. I had one before. I don't know what I did with it. But I use this for to make charms into beadable pins. I have a Dremel, but it's kind of big. But I like this one. I had one before and I just can't find it. But this is a little drill that you use, and you could, if you have flat backs like this, or even like something without an eye hook, you just could screw a hole on there, make it easier. So you get your drill, and you do get your little pieces. So I got this, and this one does have instructions. But I do like this. I had one before, I just couldn't find it. So I got another one. And those aren't expensive. Okay, I did get this one in white. So this is another one. And like I said, you do get 100. Look at that. So I really like these. Look at that. So you could do a lot of stuff with this. It doesn't have to be just for bow making or anything like that. I use it for embellishments and beadable pins. And then another thing I wanted to try to see how they look was these something like a ribbon. Yeah, it's almost like a trim, but it's a poofy trim. I wanted to see. Don't know what I'll use with that. If you have any ideas or if you've done anything with this stuff, let me know in the comments below. But I'll figure something out with that. So I got that one. And this one you can find in other colors. Okay, another thing I hauled were these bubblegum beads. And I love, love, love these colors. Look at that. It just screams like sweetness. But you do get some rhinestone in there. You do get some polka dot. Let me open this so you can look better. So you get some rhinestone, you get some silver, you get some gold ones, some snowflake ones. You get a mix. Look at that. Look at the deliciousness. Look at that. So yeah, I got that one. I got those. Okay, another thing I hauled was this tool. Now, I haven't been able to find one that has a lot on it, so if you have bought one on Temu that has a lot of this, please let me know in comments. I've only been finding the little strands, but I love this one. This one's my favorite. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. Oh, look at all the little bling. But yeah, if you know where I could get this and where I could get more of it, please let me know in the comments. Okay, another thing I hauled, I did get some more of the sequins. Well, not sequins, but the clay bits. And I hauled, I believe, a peppermint one. So this time I have the red and white and green. Let me show you that. And it does come in this little container, which I do love. So I got those ones. And this one, they do have 4 different kinds. Okay, let me see what this one is. Oh, this is okay, this was one that I was able to find on Temu. But these are also stickers, and there are tags, so you get that one. This one you only get, I believe, are only 10. You get this green one. You get that one. And if you watch my videos, my previous videos, I do have a video that has the same stickers, but in a row. But yeah, so I got some of those. Okay, and the next thing I hauled are these official elf report cards. I thought this would be super cute to add into like Happy Meal swaps and whatnot. But all it is a report on an elf. You put the name. Have you been naughty or nice? So this is for the elf to report to Santa. elf observation, the date, and the elf was reporting. I thought this was so cute. And look at the back. Love, love, love. I got those. I did haul another color of the sparkle tool. And this one is almost, it's like a yellowish color. Look how pretty that is. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love, love, love. So I got that one. I did get some dies here. And this one is a Christmas die. And this one kind of cuts so that, oh, and I'll put an image on there in a video. But this cuts the word Christmas and it shapes. It shapes it so you could do it on a card. So I got that. Okay, this is another die that I was able to find. And this is a Christmas tree with cats pulling on it. So therefore it's like, it's drooping, almost like a Grinch tree. But you do have the cats who are being mischief on there. So I got that one. I thought that would be super cute to make. Now the next one I have here is this cutie patootie reindeer. And it does have some Christmas lights you could put across that. So I got that one. I thought he was super cute. So that one. And I'm going to be cutting those and turning them in so you can see how they look like when they're finished. And then I got another deer right here. So that's another one. And it does have little intricate, well, small stuff on there. Now when I do cut these, I do like to just keep it one and then I color it or ink it. But I'll show you that process also. So I got that one. That is all from my Temu haul I want to share with you. I will put all the products that are still available in the description below. So you go ahead and snag some items that you like. Let me know what your favorite is. And like I said, if you know where I could get a lot of this one, please let me know. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.